Alright, let's take a look at this girl. Savannah. Woo, let's see your tattoos. Wow. We got some sleeves going now. Who just got up from a nappy? Did you just get up from a nap? Say uh-huh. Get it out of your mouth. What is that crap? Get it out of there. Oh, do you want to go backwards? Do it. Do it. Back we go, back we go. Oh no! Mom. I'm not going to save you. I cannot save you. Ow! Yeah. Ha. How? I'll probably be the only one. I got green and red peppers because Swan has red peppers on them and they are really good.
Ooh. So what are we making exactly?
Our own pizza.
Oh, we're doing the mini pizza.
That?
No, I didn't realize that's what we were doing right now.
What did you
I just
You're
been...
pathetic.
Excuse me?
When did you think you were going to do it?
Tomorrow?
Maybe.
When you're gone?
Wow, you guys are snotty today. What's up with this?
Can I get the rest of the olives?
How many have you got there? Is there enough for on my pizza? Because when it gets to be my turn, there better be enough for me.
Oh, that's great.
I'll just check my turn first.
You probably should.
Okay, do you know how to cut these or do you not want to? Some sausage? Just cheese. You don't
Cheese,
want any
cheese.
vegetables of any kind? No peppers, no nothing?
Yeah, when you're around, I suddenly feel like today we're in a musical. She is full of music today.
Well,
You should upload that. You should upload that on YouTube. Hunter, are you going to make your own pizza?
container. One part is on and then a whole one.
Just cheese? You're not going to put all this other stuff on there? No pepperoni or hamburger or nothing?
I hate pepperoni.
Oh,
I don't know
sorry.
what that's supposed to be.
That's black olives.
Oh,
Okay.
and I want some black olives on it.
All right.
Oh, go away.
Grandma, switch the strawberries and the cherries. Making his own pizza. We better spread it around a little bit more.
Okay, should I just give her this whole pizza or just some of it?
Probably just some of it.
You can get me that plate. You'll get yours. Yours.
Do you want to sit in your high chair?
Ooh.
Sit over there by your
Is that your
mom.
pizza bud? Are you all done?
Okay.
Just black olives
You
and
want to
cheese?
sit by me? I'm going to
All right. Hunter's special pizza.
Your pizza.
Right next to Erica's special pizza.
You want to come sit by me?
Yeah.
It's mine, but it was his.
What are you trying to do?
But I put some more stuff
Hey,
on.
Vanna.
No, on
Didn't your
purpose.
mommy ever teach you not to play with your food?
That's me.
Do you have a strawberry
He doesn't
finger?
want this.
Oh,
Do you have
a strawberry finger? He wants all
Uh-huh.
the cheese.
Your other finger doesn't have a strawberry on it. Oh,
Are you still cooking?
this one.
He wanted to make himself.
Yeah. Did you get to your finger? Oh no. Now lick it off. Go. Oh yeah. Yum. Oh, you finished that off quick. What were you eating, bud? Did you have watermelon? Mmm. All these yummy fresh fruits. Hi.
Stop the video.
But you're so adorable. Everybody wants to see you, Blakey.
Okay, is this adorable? Yeah.
Oh, that is nowhere close to adorable. That was disgusting.